I'm moving to America because I got a scholarship to play basketball.
Why?
Yeah, definitely.
Where the f*** is she going?
Wait, I need a burp, I'm so sorry. Kia ora, my name is Waiata and I'm from Rotorua. I have so many cousins, but they are like, you know, you call them your brothers and sisters. Yeah, get out. What I love doing is playing sport. I played state basketball, Australian Alliance touch team, under 16 New Zealand basketball team, 2 Netball New Zealand tournament teams. I made the junior tour ferns.
Far out.
Yeah, hold on, I'm not done. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. So this is my house and I live here with my dad. I have 2 homes. As you can see, all my family, well not all of them, but they're playing over here. Yes, Kaden. Oh, this is actually originally my koro's house, but everyone's, you know, like kind of buying into it so that we can all live together, which is really cool. So that's why we have 2 cabins here. And then this main cabin is where like my dad and all of us stay in. I do love creating content because obviously I get to meet you guys. Like, I just think it's so cool, like this industry. If New Zealand didn't have the poverty syndrome, then I think all the content creators here would be flourishing.
Kia ora!
This is a pretty cool place to live, I think. Usually every year for Christmas we have like hangis and it's dug back there, which is cool.
There's a lot of boys here. What's it like being surrounded by male figures?
Well, they already know who the alpha is, eh?
You were looking at him.
No, I think it's really cool. Like, I love these boys so much. And I think a lot of people get mixed up with a lot of my relationships that I have with everyone. But I'm surrounded by so much love, eh guys? And this is probably the first time they're hearing that. My end goal, I really have always wanted the college experience. So I'm glad I'm doing the American thing. And wherever that takes me, like if that takes me to pro basketball, man, let it be.
Pass the ball to Butter.
I really want to do it for my own family. My parents have put so much time and effort into all my sport. My dad would take me training in the morning, like when I was like 12, take me for a run. He would push me and I just think back like, wow, like, Dad, you went
Oh, we're supposed to hold it.
I just always think like, you know, I shouldn't take this for granted. If I've got the skill or like potential to be great, do something great, then I'm gonna do it.